Good morning, students. I congratulate to all of you for your promotion in 5th class. I, Suman, committed to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behavior, to always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hand frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win this fight against COVID-19. Students, this is your book IT Hub, 5th class, and today we will read Chapter 1, Evolution of Computers. Okay, in this chapter we will read about history of computers, generation of computers, characteristics and limitations of computers. So, in earlier computers were as big as a room, and now they are so small and lightweight that you can carry them around with you. This is how computers have evolved during the years. Do you want to know what made it smaller and lighter? You will learn more about in this chapter. Okay, now let's discuss about different calculating devices. Okay, in earlier time, people used to stone fingers and bones for calculations, and these methods couldn't be used to count large number or to perform mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And over the years, several devices were invented that were capable of performing various mathematical operations. And you will further learn about some of these early calculating devices. Abacus. It was the first calculating device to be used, and it was developed by the Chinese. It is a simple device made up of a frame with rods. Each rod has definite number of bits. You see here, there is a frame and rods are fixed here, and it has different beads. And by these beads, we count or calculate numbers. Next is Napier's bone. Napier's bone, see this picture. This is Napier's bones, and it was invented by John Napier in 1617, and it was a manual calculating device. You see here, this device consists of rods made of bones, ivory or metal with numbers written in them. Okay, and it was mainly used for multiplication and division. So you have to learn the device name John Napier's and invented by John Napier in 1617, mainly used for multiplication and division. Next is Pascaline. The Pascaline was the first mechanical calculator and developed by Blaise Pascal in 1642, and it considered as a rectangular box you see here with several wheels, and by rotating these wheels counting the number, it could perform addition, subtraction and carry tens, hundreds and thousands between digits. Okay, next is difference engine. The difference engine was designed by Charles Babbage in 1822, and it was designed to perform mathematical operations automatically, and it was powered by steam and was one of the earliest calculating machine. Okay, these machines calculate numbers automatically. You see in the figure difference engine. Okay, and in 1837 the Charles Babbage again designed analytical engine, you see it covers a room, a very big, and it considered as the world's first general purpose computer. See, these are which we have read about. These are the calculating machine only, but this analytical engine is the first computer, you can say. Okay, the machine had 4 components: the mill, store, reader, and printer. The mill was the calculating unit. The store was where the data was held, and the reader and printer were input and output devices respectively. ओके बच्चे, एनालिटिकल इंजन के बेस पे ही फर्दर कंप्यूटर डिज़ाइन हुए हैं और डे बाय डे, है ना, ईयर बाय ईयर एवोल्यूशन से आज आपके पास एक स्मार्टफोन है, स्मार्ट कंप्यूटर है ना, ठीक है. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट कंप्यूटर. नेक्स्ट, tabulating machine. The tabulating machine was an electromechanical machine invented by Hermann Hollerith. It was developed to process data for the 1890 United States Census, and it was used to assist in counting and recording the given information in lesser time. See, analytical engine cover the entire room, but this is very small and you can put it on table, but not so small. It is still heavy, but it take lesser time than this. Okay, now next, ENIAC. The ENIAC, in full form, electronic numerical integrator and computer, becomes in short ENIAC, was the first electronic computer developed by J. Presper Eckert and John Macleay in 1946. The ENIAC was extremely large in size. See, it covered a very big room. You are seeing this? Okay, now you have to learn ENIAC with full form. Who developed? J. Presper Eckert and John Macleay in 1951. Okay. Now let's review this. Match the columns. You know, these are your computer, and what was first? First is C. Napier's bone. Yes, it is D. Napier's bone. Okay, and next, see here, tabulating machine. It is tabulating machine, so match with second. Who developed this? Hermann Hollerith, है ना? So match second with C. Hermann Hollerith, and third, Blaise Pascal. Okay, and fourth, Charles Babbage. Okay. Now I think this is enough for today. We will read further next day. Okay, we will read next day Pioneer of the Modern Computer. Okay, Pioneer means जो बेस है, जिन्होंने इन्वेंट किया, जिन्होंने इनका बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर प्रिपेयर किया. ठीक है, लाइक वी से चार्ल्स बेबेज द फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर, है ना, एंड वी विल रीड अबाउट दिस Pioneer. Okay. And for today, this is enough. Goodbye.